09 Jeep Grand Cherokee, 3.7 liter gas, that's right. Y'all hear that noise? Let me shut up. I know y'all hear that. Alright, now what could that be? Take a look at that water pump, guys. In fact, let me turn it off and give you a closer look of that water pump. But once again, listen to this noise. That's bad, hold tight. Before I take the belt off, I want y'all to see something. Y'all see that? That's a lot of play. Now, here go the big test right here. Y'all see that? Ladies and gentlemen, we need a water pump. Ooh, that's what making that noise. I've seen worse, but it's just amazing me they went this long. You know what's weird? I bet this was still doing its job. Water pump job is to pump and circulate coolant throughout the cooling system, right? The only real problem with this, or why this failed, is because of the bearings. There has to be bearings inside here. A water pump can fail in a different way. It can fail by way of leaking, noisy, or just not putting out. When you diagnosing let's say a heater output low, that's when you start trying to diagnose things like this. Or if you're diagnosing, trying to figure out if your water pump doing its job, one of the best ways I know how is to turn the heater on. If this thing is not able to push coolant throughout the cooling system all the way up to your heater core, then yeah, this is suspect. Not saying it's a problem, just suspect. So that's why water pump is pretty unique in that it can fail in different ways. I'm not replacing it because it's leaking or not putting out. I'm replacing it because it's noisy.